basically to clean an air conditioner. You should use Windex, put some Windex on a paper towel, and as you can see I cleaned over here. It's quite nice over here, whereas here you can see all the dirt. You can also take it out, take off the cover, and you can see where here it's quite clean, and here you can see the dirt in between all the cracks, and you want to just use the paper towel to wipe it all off. Probably want to wear gloves when you're doing this. And you can see here, you want to squish that paper towel in there, and as you can see, it's much cleaner already. But this will take some time.